What's up, guys? My first unboxing video. Here we go. I'm covering my address. Yeah, you know, from Foot Locker. Yep, you can see where across Station, Texas. That's me. Yep, they're pretty cool. I got this, and I originally wasn't gonna do an unboxing, right? Oh, that unboxing though. I'm doing it with one hand. Alright, let's see it. Ooh, that icy box though. So I ordered these offline. They were, I think I got like the last size that was there. But just, yeah. There's the KD8 EXT 9, right? Retail 200. Open it up. Honestly, the only reason I'm doing this, shout out to Crew Kicks and you know, all them YG. Oh, ice, bro. Those are so cool. I got the white ones because like I needed a cleaner pair. Let me get some better lighting. There we go. Yes, bro. Those are so sick, and it says 35 right there. If it will focus, you can't see it. It says 35. Take my word for it. With that gum bottom, those are sick, dude. For sure. For sure. Peep game, strong. Peep game 2 strong. Georgetown 11 Lows, 2015 release. Yes, sir. Alright. Thanks, guys, for watching. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe for more of this and other gaming stuff. Leave a comment on what I can do better. And I will see you guys next time. This has been Super Duper Landon. Goodbye.